near to not just a nation, but a continuous story spanning 5,000 years. A land where emperors rose, dynasties fell, and ideas shaped the world. This is the journey of India. Around 2500 BCE, long before the pyramids of Giza gained their fame, sophisticated cities were already thriving along the banks of the Indus and Saraswati rivers. This was the Indus Valley civilization. Picture this: clean, structured roads, advanced drainage systems that rival modern ones, and massive granaries, wells, and workshops. These people were true engineers, masters of precision. They traded with distant lands like Mesopotamia, crafted exquisite jewelry, designed intricate seals with animal motifs, and built sturdy homes from perfectly baked bricks. What's most fascinating? There's no evidence of kings or grand palaces. This suggests a society built on order, community, and cooperation. It's a powerful reminder that India's story begins not with war, but with intelligence and collaboration. After the Indus era mysteriously faded, another age dawned, the Vedic Age, too. This period gave birth to the Vedas, some of the world's oldest living scriptures, composed along the riverbanks by sages and thinkers. It was here that the foundational pillars of Hindu philosophy took shape. Concepts like dharma, which means one's righteous duty; karma, the universal law of cause and effect; and moksha, the ultimate liberation of the soul. These weren't just abstract beliefs. They were profound systems of thought, sharpened and refined through intense debate and dialogue. In this era, India truly became a laboratory of ideas, a crucible for philosophical exploration that would influence the world for millennia to come. Then came the Age of Empires. In the 3rd century BCE, a visionary leader named Chandragupta Maurya united vast, disparate lands into the mighty Maurya Empire, one of the largest of its time. But it was his grandson, Ashoka, who would truly change the course of history. After witnessing the unimaginable horror and bloodshed of the Kalinga War, a profound transformation occurred within him. Ashoka renounced violence and wholeheartedly embraced Buddhism. He didn't just keep this newfound peace to himself. He sent messengers to Sri Lanka, China, and across the ancient world, spreading a message of compassion and non-violence. His legacy is so powerful that it's immortalized on the Indian flag today, in the form of the Ashoka Chakra, the eternal wheel of righteousness. Centuries later, the Gupta era emerged, often celebrated as the Golden Age of India. It was a time of unparalleled prosperity, where science, art, and literature flourished like never before. During this remarkable period, the legendary poet Kalidasa wrote timeless plays and poems that are still cherished today. The brilliant astronomer Aryabhata accurately explained complex planetary motions and calculated the length of the solar year with astonishing precision. And perhaps, most importantly, the concept of zero took a recognizable form. This single, revolutionary idea, born on palm leaf manuscripts, would forever change the world of mathematics and pave the way for modern science and technology. But India was never just one idea or one culture. It was, and is, a grand confluence of many. Over the centuries, traders, travelers, scholars, and conquerors arrived, each leaving their indelible mark. They didn't erase the existing cultures, they added new, vibrant layers. The arrival of the Mughals, for instance, ushered in an era of extraordinary artistic and architectural achievement. They brought with them refined Persian art forms, new styles of music, sublime poetry, and, of course, architectural marvels like the stunning Taj Mahal and the imposing Red Fort. Nations were blending, languages were merging, and India was gracefully transforming into the beautiful, intricate mosaic of cultures we see today. Then, everything changed. The British East India Company arrived, first as traders, but their ambitions grew. Slowly, methodically, they took control. By the 19th century, India was under full British rule. The consequences were devastating. Its vast resources were drained, its once thriving industries collapsed, and, most tragically, its freedom was lost. But the spirit of India, forged over millennia, did not bow. It would not be broken. From the ashes of oppression, revolutionaries rose. There was Rani Lakshmibai, the queen who fought with unmatched courage on the battlefield. There was Bhagat Singh, the young firebrand whose sacrifice lit the flame of rebellion in a new generation. There was Subhas Chandra Bose, who built an army from scratch to reclaim national dignity. And, of course, there was Mahatma Gandhi, who showed the entire world the profound strength of non-violence, or satyagraha. It was a long, arduous struggle, filled with tears, pain, and immense sacrifice. But finally, the dawn arrived. On August 15, 1947, India was free. Today, India stands as the world's largest democracy, a dynamic powerhouse of youth, innovation, and vibrant culture. From developing the concept of zero to launching missions to Mars, from ancient chants, passed down through generations, to building supercomputers. From handmade scrolls to a full-blown digital revolution. India's history isn't just something left behind in books. It walks with us, in our daily lives, in our festivals, and in our aspirations. India is not one story. It is millions of voices, living together, weaving a single, extraordinary tapestry. It is a civilization that bends but never breaks. A culture that constantly changes, yet remains eternally itself. The story of India continues. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Shirts. If you found their story as inspiring as we do, please like, share, and subscribe for more.